Hello everybody, it is time to service the 1959 NuTone 920 heater for the master bathroom. I'll go ahead and get the camera set up on the tripod and we'll get started. I'm going to start out by giving it a cleanup. A couple of cobwebs here and there, nothing too bad. Now it's time to take the thing down, inspect it, and oil the motor, and clean up the back side of it. See what it's looking like. Not bad at all on this side. Little dirt build up on the fan blades, not too bad. Still spinning quite freely. And of course I have the power shut off. Still cleaning on the motor just a little bit. Next it's time for the oiling. I'm just going to soak the felt pads. There are 2 holes on each side where the oil goes. This side's a little trickier. That one took quite a bit of oil on the bottom. And that should be oiled sufficiently. And just quickly inspect all my wiring. All the connections look good. So I will go ahead and put this back in place. That was a little more difficult than it should have been. I'm getting all these heaters tested out and going because next week the switch is supposed to be flipped for cold weather. Right now it's really muggy and warm and kind of uncomfortable. Get this anodized metal polished out the best I can with a dry cloth. It's looking pretty good. Put the grill back on. It's just a friction fit. I think it's time to start doing some testing. Now that work is all completed and all reassembled, let's give this a test. Flipping the switch now. Fan spins right up, no delay. Are we getting any heat? Yep, it's warming up very quickly. And I'm already feeling some heat reflecting off that dome. Very nice. We're up to 221 now on that element. It will glow faintly after a little while. I'll turn the light off, we'll get a look at that. Continue to heat up. Very nice. Oh yeah, it's working fine. Not seeing it glowing just yet, but feeling plenty of heat coming out of it. So once again, this has been maintaining the 1959 NuTone 920 heater for the 2023-2024 heating season. Thank you for watching. Oh, it's starting to glow a little bit. Just a little bit.